Today we are going to tour 1025 West Castle Court in Casa Grande, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Casa Grande, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. With 2,705 square feet, this home offers beautiful upgrades and a bright, open layout. From the moment you walk in, the space feels clean, stylish, and inviting. This modern 4-bedroom, 3-bath home was built in 2022. The home is just south of I-10, offering an easy commute and fast access to shopping, dining, and the expanding development on Casa Grande's north side. The chef's kitchen includes a huge island, pendant lights, and plenty of room for cooking and gathering. The open floor plan makes the entire space feel connected and easy to enjoy. In addition, the living area has a cozy fireplace that adds warmth and charm. Other features of this home include a spacious laundry, garage with epoxy floors, and a mini split AC. There is also a complete water system with reverse osmosis and a softener. This home blends modern style, low-maintenance living, and smart upgrades throughout. So if you were interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. Here we have the primary suite with its own private bathroom featuring a walk-in shower, a walk-in closet, dual sinks, and a private toilet room. With thoughtful upgrades, such as updated fixtures, extra insulation for comfort, and even a dedicated dog run, this home blends modern convenience with everyday practicality. As you can see, the open floor plan makes the entire space feel connected and easy to enjoy. The backyard is designed for relaxing and entertaining. It features an extended patio, a paver walkway, and an outdoor fireplace that is ideal for cool Arizona evenings. Schedule your tour today to see everything this home has to offer.